Hello everybody, my name is Cody and this is my 2001 Jeep Cherokee Sport with 200,000 miles. Now I just wanted to run my motor so I can share my noise with you guys. Hopefully you guys can relate. I am not sure whether it's a piston slap, rod knock, or just a lifter tick. Can't tell. It's really difficult and there's not much people I can compare it to on YouTube listening to theirs, but I thought I'd add to it and let you guys listen to mine, see if you guys can compare. It's been sounding like this for 100,000 miles ever since to 200,000 miles, and I've had no problems with it. It burns absolutely no oil, and it has never failed on me or given me any problems. The only problem is it sounds like shit and everyone's telling me it's knocking, but it's fairly cheap, like a Honda, to replace these things, so I don't worry about it. But I just wanted to throw my Jeep out there and let you guys listen to it and compare it to yours. Hopefully it's helpful. If not, then it is what it is. So here you go. As you can hear, it sounds like shit, but it runs perfectly, in my opinion. So I'll put it in different areas of the Jeep so you guys can hear it. Here's next to the throttle body, and then I come over here, get away from the whining noise in my belt. Maybe you guys can hear it better in the back. Yeah, it's been sounding like this for 100,000 miles and I've had absolutely no problems with it, so I'm not too worried about it. It's been, like I said, 4 years now. Sounds like shit, but never lets me down. You guys know what the deal is with the noise. If you know more than me, I'd appreciate you to let me know what's going on in the comments. And as always, I'm always able to answer questions for you guys if you have any questions for me. You guys have a great day.